Probably tenant retention and keeping buildings full.
The greatest risk for 2014 on our industrial market is this very low vacancy rate and a real shortage of new construction supply.
Our ability to find highly talented, good people to come to our business.
Debt markets and availability, of course, of debt.
Geopolitical and Middle East unrest.
The greatest risk to us in Ottawa, to landlords in Ottawa, is the federal government downsizing.
Electricity rates and economic slowdown.
I would say the greatest risk to our industry is always vacancy.
The greatest threat to real estate in 2014 is Rob Ford.
Rob Ford?
And God bless Rob Ford, because I voted for him.
I think the biggest risk for next year is employment. I think we look at a lot of companies on a national basis, and they're quietly laying off people. Being in real estate, bums and seats, is very important to us.
The biggest risk is the American turnaround.
I think the biggest risk is high prices. There's nothing to buy anymore. Cap rates are falling. The prices are too high.
I was going to say interest rates. She wouldn't let me say interest rates. It's too obvious. So I'll say interest rates.
I can't think of too many. The only one, and it's not 2014, it's later, is overbuilding. Mostly in Calgary.
From the point of view of REITs, it's access to the equity markets. If the equity markets don't open up a little bit broader, there's going to be a lot of stress on the income trust.
Given our reconnection with the United States, it would be a general slowdown of economic activity in the U.S. backing into Canada.
The Canadian consumer, because they're going to lead the guidance on banks. And if they stop buying homes and they stop buying cars, that'll have a big impact on the Canadian economy and translate into commercial real estate.
Actually, I don't think we have many risks in 2014. Well, we've got some new supply coming. I think we have good demand as well.
I think the risk for us next year is that growth in the U.S. or global growth is slower than we expect, particularly the U.S.
Consumer confidence in our economy and the opportunities that a strong economy will bring the average person.
We have nothing to worry about. Everything will be great.